Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into E.M.U University. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down E.M.U University login and enter it after you're done. And after that, from the search result, you need to select this first option that says E.M.U Student Portal Login. Click on that option, and after that, you'll be getting into an interface like this. In order to log in, you can simply click in this option that says Office 365 login, and in order to do that, you are required for your E.M.U email address. Simply type down your email address and click on the next, and after that you need to click in this option send code, or you can simply also use your password instead. And after that, you need to type down your password, click on the sign in, and then you'll be successfully logged into your E.M.U University. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.